This is the video I'm making to participate in Brazil's Korean drink creation contest. And I choose the Asian pear to be the star of the drink. That's an ingredient in many of Korean foods like kimchi. It's different from other pears because it's very watery with a very delicate taste. I want to have this delicate flavor in my drink. So I'll infuse that fruit in rum. To do that, I'll chop the fruit in smaller pieces. The idea is that the sweetness of the fruit can join well with the sweetness of the rum, so we won't need to add any sugar to our drink. So I place all the pieces in a sterilized jar and fill it with clear rum. The fruit should be completely submerged, otherwise it will oxidize. Let it infuse for 48 to 72 hours in your fridge. After that time, take it out of the fridge and it's so fragrant. The fruit is very alcoholic now, but it's sweet too. Very boozy peachy pieces, by the way, that's strong. First, I'll drain the infused rum. By using the clear rum, it's possible to see how the rum is infused. With the fruit, I'll make a puree. I add 30 milliliters of lime juice to help it blend, and because it's the acidity that I want it to have in the drink, so it will balance very well with the rum and the pear. Then I drain that puree too, so we can extract the nectar from the fruit. For the glass, I choose the martini glass because I don't want to have any ice in my drink. The measures are 1 part of drained pear puree, 1 part of infused rum, and 1 to 2 parts of club soda. It depends how alcoholic you like. And finish with a touch of grated red pepper. I'm using dry red pepper. It adds a refreshing touch to the drink. And hey, this is basically kimchi without cabbage. This drink is perfect for the summer sunny days. It fits well in both Brazil and South Korea. But yo, in the end, how can we call this drink?
Pear My Soul. Soul My Pear.